around the knee and down the bone, that's it. Relax. Now, you're on the bone. Your non-dominant hand is holding on. With one hand, you're stabilizing the head. Okay? With the other hand, you've got the knee, you've got the syringe. Now, you will aspirate. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? Did you see that, my friends?
Blood.
Did you see that? Can you see that?
Blood.
Blood. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that?
You can show everything.
Now you are seeing everything. You are seeing everything. You are seeing everything. Very good. Very good. Now we're going to change the needle and we'll try one more time. Okay, I'm going to flush this filler out of the syringe so it becomes completely clear. Then we'll try one more time. Okay, alright? Give me a swab.
It's a very difficult candidate.
No, it's fine. She's come all the way for this. You give it for her. No, just a dry. Also, when you're cleaning, try to clean with a dry because alcohol it removes the clot, so it bleeds again. So use a dry. Dry, Jenny, dry. Dry cause look.
Is this due to superficial veins?
No, this is on the bone. I am on the bone, straight on the bone. And this is very lucky because a lot of people don't even aspirate. And a lot of people
emotions to create beauty. So yes, so we can make them look more beautiful. Okay, all right. इसमें हम और भी अगर मेरे private clinic में होती है मेरा choice product होता था I would have gone a bit more. But I don't want to go a bit more. I think I'm going to stop here. Otherwise, I can keep on chasing it. Also over here, I would have done a bit more for the tip. I would inject it here also. But I think for the purposes of this workshop, this is as MashaAllah. Aqsam billah. Alhamdulillah. I just came from Morocco, so my देखो लगा वो कैमरा में देखो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम एमन न्याज़ी है और बेसिकली मैंने डॉक्टर फ़ाद मिर्ज़ा से अपना नोज़ फिलर कराया है जो कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा किया है। लाइक आप लोग यहाँ से साइड पोज में देख भी सकते हैं और वो बहुत ज़्यादा नाइसली हैं। पेशेंट को ऐसे कि बहुत बच्चों की तरह ट्रीट कर रहे होते हैं प्रोसीजर के दौरान। एंड थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर फ़ाद मिर्ज़ा कि उन्होंने मेरा नोज़ फिलर किया।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं हूँ डॉक्टर बिलाल अहमद ख़ान। आई एम ए डेंटिस्ट एंड एस्थेटिक फिजिशियन एंड आई एम वर्किंग देयर एट लोअर दीर, ए स्मॉल टाउन इन लोअर दीर KPK, जहाँ पर मैं डेंटिस्ट्री और एस्थेटिक का काम कर रहा हूँ। सो आई एम हेयर एट द फेस कांग्रेस 2024, द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल कांग्रेस इन इस्लामाबाद, एंड आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग हेयर माई होम टाउन लोअर दीर। मेरी मदर वहाँ गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट थी जिन्होंने 30 ईयर्स सर्विस किया है लोअर दीर में, और उनके बाद आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि मैं अपने दीर को कुछ अच्छा फॉरवर्ड करूँ।
वेलकम एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूँ डॉक्टर फ़ाद मिर्ज़ा और अभी हम फेस कांग्रेस में आए हुए इस्लामाबाद, और बहुत ही अमेजिंग कांग्रेस रही है ये। From the venue to all the staff to all the dentists to all the organizers, been very professional. हमारा बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखा है और चीज़ें हर बहुत अच्छे से की गई हैं। मैं लाइव इंजेक्शन ऑन स्टेज कर रहा था, उसके लिए मुझे हर चीज़ अच्छे से दी गई। एंड everyone so enthusiastic and so passionate, and the quality of lectures that was given and the quality of people who come to give the lectures was top notch. So मैं आप सबको recommend करूँगा कि whenever this happens next year, join it because it will be a valuable experience for you and you will really cherish this. So yeah.
Suratul Zafar. We are here at the FACE Congress Pakistan 2024. It's been a great honor to be here. That's basically a multi-disciplinary conference where we got to know all about it. We basically shared knowledge regarding dermatology, plastic surgery, maxillofacial surgery, dentistry, all under the one roof. So basically the theme was the changing face of aesthetics, and we had a very nice live demonstrations on non-liquid rhinoplasties, anti-aging treatments, botulinum toxin treatments, and by the international speakers, national top leading speakers. So we really enjoyed a lot on this occasion, and I'm really thankful to you all to be honored at this FACE Congress. Thank you so much. And that's organized especially by the Park Academy of Laser, the FACE, and IDSR. Thank you so much.